Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Discord notification sound spooky. Basically, it's going to already be set like that, but for instance, yours isn't for some reasons. You can go to settings. As you can see, there's Halloween Haunts Your Discord. Beware your notification sounds have a chilling twist. Head to your settings if you dare to switch back. You can switch it back, but if you go to user settings and you go to the notifications tab here, there's two sound packs. There's Discord default and there's Halloween. I'm just going to enable the Halloween one. Then this is what it sounds like if you join like a Discord channel. Spooky. And this is what it sounds like. Oh, wait, it's not even on. Let's redo that again. Okay, so this is what it sounds like when you're disconnected. This is what it sounds like when you're connected in a channel. Ooh, spooky. That is it for this video. I'm tired. As you can tell, it's like 12, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.